Ready to learn about the next big thing in AI? OpenAI has just introduced Critic GPT, an AI designed to make Chat GPT unstoppable. We're diving into how Critic GPT is revolutionizing AI performance and why Chat GPT is set to become the ultimate conversational AI. From real-time feedback to unparalleled accuracy, this new development is a leap forward. But what makes Critic GPT so special? Let's break down the 5 ways Critic GPT is making ChatGPT unstoppable. Let's kick things off with number 5. Number 5, real-time feedback and improvement. Imagine having an AI that can critique and improve its own responses in real time. That's exactly what Critic GPT does. It's like having an AI version of Gordon Ramsay constantly refining its skills. With every interaction, Critic GPT analyzes ChatGPT's performance, identifies weaknesses, and provides immediate feedback for improvement. In experiments, responses generated by ChatGPT under Critic GPT's supervision were 25% more accurate and coherent than those generated independently. This continuous loop of feedback and improvement ensures that ChatGPT gets smarter and more effective with every conversation. But here's where it gets even more impressive. Critic GPT doesn't just point out mistakes, it offers specific suggestions on how to fix them. This capability allows ChatGPT to learn and adapt faster than ever before, setting a new standard for AI learning and development. For example, if ChatGPT makes a minor error in a technical explanation, Critic GPT can suggest precise corrections, ensuring the information provided is always accurate and reliable. Consider the potential applications in education. Students could use ChatGPT as a study aid, knowing it will provide correct and refined explanations in real time. This can significantly enhance learning experiences by providing instant, accurate feedback. Imagine Harry Potter having Hermione's constant guidance, but in the form of AI. So, what do you think? Is real-time feedback the key to making ChatGPT unstoppable? Let us know in the comments. Number 4. Enhanced accuracy and reliability. Critic GPT's main strength lies in its ability to enhance the accuracy and reliability of ChatGPT's responses. Imagine having an AI with the precision of a seasoned editor, meticulously checking every detail before delivering an answer. During testing, ChatGPT, guided by Critic GPT, scored 30% higher in accuracy across various tasks compared to its standalone version. Whether it's answering complex questions or generating creative content, Critic GPT ensures that every response is on point. But here's where it gets even more crucial. Critic GPT's advanced algorithms can detect and correct subtle errors that might be overlooked by humans or other AI models. This means users can trust ChatGPT to provide more reliable and accurate information consistently. For instance, in medical applications, having an AI that can provide accurate information is critical. Critic GPT can ensure that ChatGPT delivers precise and trustworthy medical advice by constantly checking and improving its responses. Moreover, consider the implications for customer service. Companies can rely on ChatGPT to handle customer inquiries with high accuracy, reducing the need for human intervention and ensuring customers receive consistent and reliable information. It's like having the meticulous nature of Sheldon Cooper from The Big Bang Theory, ensuring everything is accurate and in order. So, what do you think? Will enhanced accuracy make ChatGPT the go-to AI for all your needs? Share your thoughts in the comments. Number 3, superior context understanding. One of the biggest challenges in AI is maintaining context during long conversations. Critic GPT tackles this problem head-on, ensuring that ChatGPT stays on track and relevant throughout extended interactions. Think of it like having Yoda guiding Luke Skywalker, keeping him focused and on the right path. In real-world applications, this means that ChatGPT can handle more complex queries and maintain coherent dialogues over longer periods. For instance, in customer service scenarios, ChatGPT can remember previous interactions and provide personalized support without missing a beat. But here's where it gets even more impressive. Critic GPT's ability to understand and manage context extends to diverse topics and disciplines. Whether it's a technical discussion or a casual chat, Critic GPT ensures that ChatGPT remains contextually aware and accurate. For example, in a technical support scenario, ChatGPT can track the entire conversation, understanding the user's issue and providing step-by-step assistance without needing the user to repeat information. Furthermore, this ability to maintain context can be incredibly beneficial in mental health support. ChatGPT can remember past conversations and provide consistent, compassionate, and contextually aware support to users, enhancing the quality of mental health care. Imagine Tony Stark's Jarvis, always being there to understand and assist with your needs, but in a supportive mental health context. So what do you think? Is superior context understanding the game changer for ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments. Number 2, adaptive learning and customization. Critic GPT enables ChatGPT to adapt and customize its responses based on individual user preferences. Imagine an AI that knows you better than your best friend, tailoring its interactions to suit your style and needs. With Critic GPT's guidance, ChatGPT can learn from user interactions and adjust its behavior accordingly. This personalized approach enhances user satisfaction and engagement, making interactions more meaningful and effective. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Critic GPT allows ChatGPT to fine-tune its responses for specific industries and applications. Whether it's healthcare, finance, or education, ChatGPT can provide specialized support tailored to the unique requirements of each field. For instance, in the financial sector, ChatGPT can offer personalized investment advice. Understanding user preferences and risk tolerance to provide tailored recommendations. Additionally, in the healthcare industry, ChatGPT can provide customized health tips and reminders based on individual medical histories and lifestyle choices. This level of customization ensures that users receive relevant and useful information that fits their specific needs. It's like having an AI that evolves with you, much like how the Terminator T-800 evolves in Terminator 2: Judgment Day, but without the world-ending intentions. So, what do you think? Is adaptive learning the secret to making ChatGPT unstoppable? Share your thoughts in the comments. Number 1, setting new standards in AI performance. At the top of our list is how Critic GPT is setting new standards in AI performance. In every major benchmark, ChatGPT under Critic GPT's guidance has outperformed its competitors, setting new records for speed, accuracy, and versatility. In comprehensive evaluations involving language comprehension, problem solving, and creative tasks, ChatGPT consistently scored higher than other AI models. Its ability to handle a wide range of tasks with superior efficiency makes it the ultimate choice for various applications. But here's where it gets even more impactful. Critic GPT's continuous improvement loop ensures that ChatGPT is always evolving and staying ahead of the curve. Regular updates and refinements keep it at the cutting edge of AI technology, consistently outperforming other models. For example, in academic research, ChatGPT can assist researchers by providing detailed analyses and generating insights based on the latest studies and data, ensuring that the information is always current and accurate. Additionally, consider the potential in creative fields. ChatGPT can help writers, artists, and musicians by offering suggestions, refining ideas, and providing inspiration based on a vast database of creative works. This continuous improvement loop means that ChatGPT can become a valuable collaborator in any creative endeavor. Imagine it as a fusion of the creative genius of Leonardo da Vinci and the analytical prowess of Sherlock Holmes, always enhancing its capabilities. So what do you think? Has Critic GPT made ChatGPT unstoppable? Let us know in the comments. And that's a wrap for how Critic GPT is transforming ChatGPT into the ultimate AI. If this video blew your mind, smash that like button. Want more cutting-edge tech content? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to catch the pulse of the AI revolution. Until next time, stay tuned and stay amazed.